Hey, what's going on, everybody? So you guys know my name is Yusef Scott, also referred to as the Forex GOAT. Alright, I know you guys are here. I'm thankful. Thank you so much for being here. You guys coming from all across the world, but you're here with me watching my content. So I want to thank you guys. Of course, as always, if you're not yet connected with me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, get connected. If you're not yet a part of the 25,000 subscribers on this channel, get subscribed, okay? Now listen, just want to give you guys a little update. You guys remember, perhaps if you follow me on social media, you remember that, well, at least my students remember when I gave my students a trade alert. And I may have mentioned this in a video. I believe I mentioned to watch the CAD twist not long ago, but anyway, I gave my students a trade alert on the CAD Swiss, and that market is looking very good, very fantastic, very terrific, very great market. Trust me when I tell you. So I took advantage of that, okay, and I told them about it, and a lot of people got in on it. Some people got on that, some people got on others, but you know, when I do these trade alert trainings for my students once a week on Mondays, I go through the entire market, all right? And you can handpick which ones that you like based on the setup, based on how I looked at the market. If the way you see the market is aligned with how I see the market, then you feel like, well, that's a double dose. Let me just hop in on this, you know, provided it's the time for you to get in. And if you've done so, if you're part of my memberships and you got in on it, or if you're watching this pair and you got in on it, it's looking good. So I want to show you guys what actually took place with this market. Okay, I'm going to show you guys because it's a fantastic pair. All right, you guys pay attention to this. Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I know some of you probably wonder what it's like to be a sodarneasyforex student. Let me show you guys what you can expect as a student. Check this out because you don't want to miss out on this. So if you ever wonder what it's like to be a sodarneasyforex student, let me give you a taste of what you can expect when you can sit in on a weekly trade alert training live and walk away with a number of trade alerts to trade on readily. This is the CAD Swiss Daily, trading off a live account, $15 per pip. We're going to open up 15 trades, but let me show you the actual setup first. So this is the setup. I'm expecting this market to go up. Let's go ahead and open up these trades. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we're going to watch this over the next couple weeks. Watch it and learn. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Now I know many of you probably watched the free training video I put out last week. And if you guys remember, I talked about patience as well as being anonymous in the market, giving yourself that extra strength. Now, there's something that I've been telling my students for a while now, and I want to tell you guys, it's all about having the patience and knowing what you're looking at, having that eagle's eye. But let me show you guys what you could expect if you were a sodarneasyforex student. And all I want to tell you guys, people lie, but live accounts and numbers don't lie. So as y'all see, this is the CAD Swiss. I'm crushing this market. This is the actual setup. Now, I told my students for a while now, just watch it. Before you know it, it's going to bubble over. Now, if you were a student, you can have this opportunity too. Now, listen, as always, it's always on a live account. Always. So if you guys see the CAD Swiss up over $40,000. I've been watching this pair. I actually been watching this pair for a while, and I knew it was going to go up. You know, sometimes, you know, we just have to have patience, and we have to have the strength. And I kind of tell you guys all the time, you got to have the strength in your account because it's going to make or break you, okay? If you don't have the strength in your account, it's going to break you, all right? Luckily, having the strength, it's going to help you. Trust me, it's going to help you. So, but if you guys notice, the trades were over 40,000. I confidently and calmly opened up those trades, and just watch it just realize profit. You know, it danced around for a minute, but you know, it's looking good. And look, I can't complain, because this is how I see the market all the time. You know, I see the market like this and I take advantage of it. And this is what I want to teach you guys, all right? But your timing is everything, you know? And that's why the perfect entry strategy is so important, okay? So you guys have to learn it. If anything, if you don't, well, let's say this. I have a lot of people who reach out to me about learning how to enter the market. The perfect entry strategy is by far one of the most sought after strategies. Between that and the low risk strategy, or my scalping strategy, by far one of the most powerful. I say it was one of the most powerful strategies, if not the most powerful strategy, or the powerful strategy that I have. Simply because it really takes you out of that mindset of not knowing or being unsure. Okay, so in terms of trading with it, I mean, I use this thing all the time. You guys see my trades. So you guys are struggling with this. If you guys are struggling with entry, you need to learn how to utilize the perfect entry strategy. And of course, when you're in your trade, you need to then follow the stay in your trade strategy. It will help you all the time. All right? Sometimes it's a little scary. You're like, hold on, how does this become so easy? So just remember that, you guys. As always, I appreciate you guys being here, being a supporter of the sodarneasyforex movement. If you're not yet connected with me on social media, that's Facebook, that's Instagram, you want to get connected. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel as one of the 25,000 plus subscribers, get subscribed. All right? Remember, my name is Yusef Scott. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.